Hi guys, my name is Leah. I'm 2 years old. And my older brother is myself. I hope you like it. Hi guys, I'm gonna eat all these cookies and then I'm gonna put on my cookie costume. So I'm gonna open it when they have two of the cookie ones. Two of the box. When you're ready to pack it, then you just do this box. And if you want to be more of the crackers, and then I'm gonna get my costume on, and then I'm gonna eat them. These ones.
How does it taste?
Good.